Our new set 2 sound for today is or, 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 or. Very good. This is the or sound. Or, or, or. Very good. Now on this part of the card, we see shut the door. So what we're going to do now is when you see this part of the card, I want you to say or. But when you see this part of the card, I want you to say shut the door. Okay, are you ready? Don't forget or, shut the door. Let's do it. Good job, children. Now I will put the O sound somewhere here. So I want you to say each sound I pull up, but when you see the O sound, I want you to point those 2 magic fingers right at it, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Good job. Well done. Now let's practice some green words with the or sound, okay? Now, you know what we do when you see the green words, right? You first of all find the special friends or, and then you fret towards each sound, and when I pull the word closer, you read the word, okay? Like this. Or, sp, ort, sports. Cool, huh? Watch me do it one more time. Or, orc, fork. You see? Now give it a try. Ready? Set, go. Good job. Last one. Well done, children. Now let's do some writing, shall we? So get your book and your pencil ready so we can do some writing together. Our first word for today is salt. How many fat fingers should we hold up? Okay, I'll tell you. Let's hold up 3 fat fingers. So let's put the word salt. S-O-T. Salt. So let's pinch it. S-O-T. Salt. So go ahead and write it down. I have my board and my marker here. So let's do it together on this board. Are you ready? Good. For the word salt, our first sound is S. And then we have the special friends O. And we have the T sound. S-O-T. Salt. So let's draw a line underneath the special friends. So go ahead and tick for S. Tick if you got the O right. And the T right. Salt. Good job, children. Our next word is short. Short. How many fat fingers should we hold up for the word short? I'll tell you, 3 fat fingers. You know why? There's 2 sets of special friends in the word short. So let's find out. Let's try to spell the word short. Our first sound is sh. And then we have the special friends or and the sound t. So let's pinch it. Sh, or, t, short. So go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to tick or fix? Good. So for the word short, our first sound is sh. special friends. I know, right? And then we have the other set of special friends, or. And the last sound, t. Short. So go ahead and underline special friends, sh, and special friends, or. Are you ready to tick or fix? Let's tick or fix. For the word short, go ahead and tick for special friends, sh, special friends, or, and t. Well done, children. You are doing great. Now, our last word for today is sport. Sport. How many fingers should we hold up for the word sport? I'll tell you. 4 fat fingers. So let's hold the word sport. Sp, o, t. Sport. Let's pinch it. Sp, o, t. Sport. So go ahead and write it down. I'm really excited. Are you ready to take a fix? Let's go. For the word sport, our first sound is S. And then we have P. And the special friends, O. And the last sound, T. It does look funny, but we'll take it. So for the word sport, we have the sound S, P, O, T, sport. So go ahead and underline the special friends or, okay? So let's tick or fix. Are you ready? Good. So for the word sport, our first sound is S. And then we have P. And then we have special friends or. And the last sound, T. Sports. Good job, children. Now we would like you to think of 5 words with the O sound. And when you do that, we would like you to write all the 5 words down and then pick 3 of those words to form sentences. We would like to see your work. See you next time. Bye-bye.